Hey guys, welcome back to another tips and tutorial video for you. So this video is all about Windows copy and paste, and a lot of you have been doing it wrong for so long. So let me refresh you guys. So what you would want to do is a few things. The very first thing you need to do is to hold Windows key on your keyboard and press V. You will be greeted by a clipboard, and the first time you do this, your clipboard will have a button that says enable. You want to click that enable button. After that, you can close the clipboard down. Now there's a few keys that you need to remember, so I just draw this up on Paint. It's really simple and easy to use. So the first thing that you need is Ctrl+C, and this will copy the selection that you highlighted. The next step will be the Windows key plus V to paste from the clipboard, and then the third one would be the Windows key plus Shift and S, and that will then give you a copy of the selection, but it will copy it as an image for you. So let me demonstrate this. So let's just clear this file. So we're going to come back to Paint just in a little bit. Let me demonstrate this. Let's open our browser just for this demonstration. Let's just search for news. So let's say I want to copy something. Let's say I want to copy this entire section over here as an image. That would be Windows, Shift and S on your keyboard. Now you can draw a box around what you want to copy as an image, and you just release the button. Now let's say I want to copy just specific text out of this. Okay, let's say I want to copy up to here. Okay, I'm gonna hold Ctrl+C. Now that's copied. Now I want to copy the next one, and then after that I want to copy this, and then I want to copy this. Again, Ctrl+C to copy. Now I've copied a lot of work, and now I want to create my own document out of everything that I copied. So what you can do now is you can go back to the document that you want to paste this stuff in for this demonstration, Paint. So let's say I'm gonna hold the Windows key plus V to paste. So now it's going to open up my clipboard, and my clipboard will look like this, and you can see that there's the selection that I copied as an image. So I can add this, and there you go, I've got my image. Now let's create a normal frame for this. Okay, and in here let's just do this. So here's the first one. Alright, now let's say I want to paste something in here again from the clipboard. Windows key and V, the clipboard pops up, and now I can just click on whatever I want to copy. Next one, let's copy the next one, and this will be this one over here. Next one, I want to go and I want to put in this article over here. Now you can copy and paste everything at once. You don't have to jump between documents, between pages and so forth. You can literally go to one document, copy whatever you need from that document, go to the next document, and then just paste it in. As simple as that. So again guys, the keys that you will need is Windows key and C for copy, Windows key and V to paste from your clipboard, and then Windows key, Shift and S to copy anything as an image. Now this Windows key, Shift and S, this also works anywhere on your computer. Let's say my desktop background. Let's say I want to copy something from my background itself. Again, Windows key, Shift and S, and now I can draw a box around whatever I want to copy. So let's say I want to copy this. Now that's copied. Let's open Paint up again, see if we can paste. Windows key and V. I can select from my clipboard, and there you go. As simple as that. Thank you for watching guys. Cheers.